Hello my good people, it's me again, JP Blogger. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe, like, share and comment so that we can grow together. Hope everyone is fine. Me too, here I am. I'm so fine. So my guys, today I decided to walk around my compound, just showing you the plants that we are planting here. So as you can see, we have bananas, maize and other plants. You see, let me try to show you this kind. We have that one, that's the banana. You see, purple, they're there. And also we have what? We have sugar cane, plenty, in plenty. You see, my people. And in our video, I remember last week I showed you this what? This small area. We're just digging out for the plantation of skuma, and this, as you can see now, we have already planted. You see, we have already planted. We have already planted, as you can see. I've already planted those seeds. You see, my people. This one here. You see. So today I was just walking around to show you the way they are. Just last week we were planting it. And this, as you can see, let me try to show you where we are now. You see. So I'm just walking around to look for it the way you are. We are just cutting it out. You see. These are sugar cane. We're just cutting it down to plant another one. You see. See, my good people. People, I see many of us, I know many of us we don't know this, but we do use this one. You see this one, we use it in mixing in our tea, so that you can make that taste. You see this one, I don't know the name, but I'll just search it and I will tell you. I know it, but in our Limex language, so I cannot tell it now, but I will just tell it. This one, it have a good smell. That's how it is. You see, my people,